Hey guys, welcome back to GWiz Academy. So now, from today onwards, we are going to start a new series where we will be learning a world's number one programming language, that is nothing but Python. So by definition, Python is a higher level general purpose programming language. It is designed blah 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 blah. So we are not going to read all this bookish definition and all. So the first thing is Python is a number one programming language in the world. Right now it is the top language, and the average salary of a Python developer in India is around in between somewhere between 2 lakhs to 9 lakhs per year, and in US you will be paid somewhere around $100,000, right? So it is extremely important for you to learn Python if you are serious about your web development journey or your career as a software developer. Either you want to become web developer or a software developer or web application developer or a blockchain developer or data science engineer or data scientist or some, or you, in case if you want to enter into machine learning, artificial intelligence and stuff like that. For all these things, even for game development, right? So for all these things, you need to have a strong foundation in this programming language that is called as Python, right? So the current version is the stable version is Python 3, but still Python 2 is also very much relevant in various organizations, right? So in this course, we will be covering the Python 3. Okay. So this is going to be the introduction video. This is a very small, brief introduction. I'm sure that if you're watching this video, then you already know more about Python, why we should learn Python, and what is the use of Python and all those things. So we'll be, without wasting any time, we will be starting our chapters. So let me quickly show you what is the plan, how we are going to learn complete Python. So as you can see on the screen right now, I have listed chapters. So I have made a list of 20 chapters that we will be covering under Python basics, Python for beginners, right? So once we complete this 1 to 20th chapter, that is still arrays, loops, lists, tuples, and boolean strings, casting, all these concepts, once we cover till 20th chapter, then we will be entering into next series where we'll be learning about advanced Python concepts like object-oriented Python, or regex and JSON and scopes and stuff like that. We'll be learning all those things in our next series. So in this series, we are going to cover from introduction to arrays. Okay. So this is the list that we will be covering. These are the chapter names. So yeah, if you have any questions related to what is Python and why we should learn Python, then you can, I'm already sure that you already know all these things, but still, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section or in the discussion forum. I'll try to answer you as quick as possible, right? So in our next chapter, this was a very brief introduction about Python. So in our next chapter, we are going to go ahead and set up the environment on our laptop or PC, and then we'll start learning from chapter 4. Okay, so if you already have installed Python on your system, and if you already know how to do comments and basic syntax of Python, then you can skip these 2 chapters and directly start from chapter 4. But in case if you are a total beginner and if you are this is the first time you are learning any programming language, then I recommend you watch the second and third step as well. Okay, second chapters and third chapters as well, right? So this was a brief introduction on Python language, and let's get started without wasting any time, right? See you inside. Thank you.